Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on this backup option, and as you can see we'll be automatically transferred to this signing in Google section, so just tap on next and tap on add account. Of course, if you've got your Google account currently applied to this device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. And be aware that you need the internet connection to do this whole process, so you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, just tap on it to read it and then tap on I agree after the reading. Here we have to decide what kind of data we want to backup, so photos and videos, other device data, or both. It's up to you. I will mark only this option and tap on confirm. Tap on manage backup, and here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. And all we have to do to finish everything is to tap on backup now, and as you can see your device is right now backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.